Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an Amazon product launch strategy that involves both rebates and coupons and how you can use both of these strategies to not only boost your sales but diversify the types of sales that you generate for your Amazon product launch. When you combine both rebates and coupons together to solidify an Amazon product launch, you're going to be better off because you're positioning your product to not only receive coupon sales, but to also receive full price sales in the form of rebates. And when you have both of these, you'll be able to improve your sales velocity and overall improve your product's brand exposure on Amazon that will ultimately boost your organic sales because you're not just relying on one specific type of sale, you're diversifying the types of sales that you're generating for your product. And this is going to do really well for especially new products when you're trying to get that much needed traction on Amazon. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Sebastian. I'm the founder of Rebates, which is an Amazon platform that helps sellers generate sales instantly by helping them offer rebates and coupons to prospective buyers and allows Amazon sellers to manage everything inside of a single dashboard. And I deliver videos like this with Amazon tips on a weekly basis. So if that's something that interests you, feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bells. That way, as I deliver more videos like this, you'll get notified. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to leverage the Rebate platform to generate more sales in the form of rebates and coupons. So the very first thing you're going to want to do when you're looking at the Rebate dashboard is notice that these two top options right here that says rebates and coupons, these two sections are for our platform sales. So when you use these two options right here, they'll be listed on the Rebate platform where we have thousands of Amazon shoppers who are ready to receive your offer and redeem whether it's a rebate offer or a coupon offer. So you'll get instant exposure to thousands of verified Amazon shoppers with these two sections right here. So all you have to do is simply set up your account. And the first thing you're going to want to do is connect your MWS settings. So after that's taken care of, now you're ready to move on to creating your first rebate and coupon campaign. And we make this incredibly easy for you to do with just a few clicks. So I'll quickly show you how to do that right now. So right away, go ahead and click right here where it says rebates. And now we're creating the first rebate campaign. So once all of this loads up, just go ahead and click where it says create rebate campaign. And all it's going to ask you for is just a few details about your product. So right away, just go ahead and enter your ASIN. And after you enter your ASIN, you don't really have to put in too much product details because we're going to go ahead and pull the information automatically from Amazon. And the only thing you have to do is select the categories. And also put your product price. And let's go ahead and set a rebate discount. So let's go ahead and offer a 90% rebate. What we've seen is that the higher the rebate, the more redemptions you're going to get. So if you need about 50 to 100 sales, it's best to use a higher percentage in the form of a rebate off in order to get the maximum amount of sales possible. So you'll see right here, this is their total rebate amount. And we can go ahead and set the start date here. And we give you total flexibility when you're setting all of this up. Okay, and then the end date, you can let this run as long as you want. So maybe you want to let it run for a full 30 days. We'll just have it run that then, and then we can set an expiration date. Daily rebates, this is completely up to you. Just for the sake of this example, I'll just go and put 10, and I'll put a total of 100 rebates, okay? In the keyword section, just put a couple keywords that describe your product. It'll make it easier for shoppers to find your product if they're looking for something specific. And the private campaign, if you do select that, only you'll be able to see the URL that has your product listed. So if you did want to share it just yourself using social media, you can go ahead and click the private campaign. And just make sure you click free shipping. And right away at the bottom, it's going to give you the total cost of your rebate. So it gives you this total cost right here. All right, now that you have your rebate total amount, all you need to do is add funds in your wallet in order to fund the rebates for your promotion. So to do that, simply go to the wallet section right here, and then go ahead and click on add funds. Now, I will say that funds do take 24 hours to become available, so you'll see all pending balances right here, and after 24 hours, they'll be right here in the available wallet, available to use in your rebate campaigns. Now, this wallet also funds both the platform rebates and also our ManyChat integration rebates, so you'll have one wallet that'll fund both rebate promotions if you decide to run those two types of promotions. Now, in addition to creating a rebate campaign, you also would like to create a coupon campaign, again, just to diversify the types of traffic you're generating. It'll be much more effective if you not only have full price purchases in the form of rebates, but also if you have a handful of sales in the form of coupons. So when you're creating a coupon campaign on RebatePal, it's very similar to the rebate campaign that we just created. So I'll go ahead and show you how to list your product on the RebatePal platform and use coupons as the form of promotion. So all you're going to do is on the left-hand side here where it says coupons, just go ahead and click on create campaign. And again, it's going to pull some product information really quickly for you after you put your ACE in. So go ahead and enter your ACE in here, and it should automatically pull some of this data for you. The only thing, again, you'll need to do is select the category and the percentage off discount that you're going to be using. So let's just go ahead and use 70% off discount. And now just go ahead and put a few descriptive words for your product. So I'll just go ahead and do this. Okay. And then right here is where you're going to paste the single-use coupon codes that you create on Amazon. So I'm just going to put coupon codes right here. But again, this is where inside Seller Central under your promotions, this is where you're going to create single-use coupons and copy them from Amazon and go ahead and paste them into this section right here. And then just make sure all three of these are checked. And all you have to do is click on create, and that's it. And again, just to make everything super easy for you, you'll be able to manage everything at a snapshot view right from the dashboard, and you'll be able to monitor your sales for the past 30 days, and you'll be able to see your rebate sales and your coupon sales alongside each other. So it makes launching with multiple types of campaigns like rebates and coupons simultaneously, it's super effective because you're basically diversifying again the types of sales you're getting for your Amazon product. So not only will they be full price sales, but you will also have some coupon sales in there. And having these campaigns running simultaneously is going to maximize effectiveness of your launch. Or if you just in general want to boost your BSR or in general just want to boost your sales, using both of these strategies together is highly effective, and RebatePal makes it incredibly easy to do so since we don't charge per coupon or per rebate. It's one set monthly fee and that's it. We don't charge you for anything else, unlike some other platforms out there. I hope you found this tutorial insightful on how RebatePal can benefit your Amazon FBA product without requiring any sort of marketing knowledge. Again, we want to build an all-in-one platform for Amazon sellers where they can easily offer rebates and coupons and not have to worry about learning how to do Facebook ads or having to run pay-per-click ads. Having new sellers easily generate sales instantly is what our goal is, and that's why we made the RebatePal platform. So I hope you found this video resourceful, and you can start your 7-day trial with RebatePal today for only $1. So I will have a link below in the description where you can get that offer. And if you have any questions at all about RebatePal, feel free to leave me a comment in the below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And again, if you haven't already subscribed to this YouTube channel, go ahead and do so now. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all on the next video.